In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to fix SPN 802 and SPN 801. As you can see, this is the way it was. I was getting this little triangle in the SBA light, and I was getting this code, relay Diag 1 802 and also 801, but it's not showing right now. So if you're getting one of those two codes, this is the way I fixed it. I'm not sure if you're gonna have the same issue, but I'm gonna try to walk you through the troubleshooting I did before I purchased this module. So this is what was having my issue. The module went bad, the original one. I was able to find this on eBay. This one matched my truck, so that's why I bought it used. I think if you get on a brand new one, you're gonna have to have it programmed, and I didn't want to go through that, so I just bought this one used. You're gonna find it right underneath right here. It's gonna be with this one. So right now I have the old one installed, plugged in, so that's why I'm still getting the light. So I'm gonna be putting the new one, and you're gonna see that code go away. So I'm gonna put some videos of footage I took when I was having the issue on the road. You're gonna see the lights going on and off. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this new module so you can see that these lights are gonna go away. So right now it's off. Right there it's on, and they're gonna turn back on. So let me go ahead and install the new one. So to remove this one, you just have this little screws right here. They're gonna take a T25, the Torx 25, and you're gonna have these plugs right here. And this truck, it only has 3, but some trucks have 4. So this is like the older model. So you just press this little tab and just push it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the new one. So I have the new one plugged in. I still have this one right there. I'm gonna remove it and put this one back in there. So let me turn it on, and the lights should come off already. So you see, now it's off. I'm only getting 3 codes, but this is for some other thing. The 4th one went out. So there it goes. I'm not getting any more lights. Also, let me turn it off. Once you turn on the switch, you're gonna hear some clicks on the outside, on the relays. I'll show you right now. Let me see if you can hear it from here. I'm gonna turn the switch on, and you should be able to hear some clicks from the relays on the fuse box. So if you're not hearing those clicks, then that means you're gonna have some issues with the module or some other problem. So right there, it's clicking. So all the relays are good over there. Let me show you. So before you buy the module, just make sure you check all your fuses for the ABS. You're gonna have them right here, and also the relays. The relay for the ABS, is gonna be this one right here. It's a R3. And also check fuse number 4, which is this red one right here. You're gonna have all your fuses on this cover right here. So you just check the ones for the ABS for the truck, not the trailer. And also if you're having some issues with the trailer, make sure you check the ones for the trailer. As you can see right there, it's trailer and and some more for the actual truck. So check all your fuses and relays, and also check all your ABS sensors. I had to check all my sensors. These are the ones right here. They go in there, and also ones in the drives. So I had to check all that, all my sensors, and they seem to be working fine. So that wasn't the issue. And also check all your plugs. You got some plugs right here. Make sure they're not getting shorted or there's no water in them. Check all these little plugs right here. And this is the ABS cables. Make sure they're not getting shorted. They're not touching any metal. So that was the issue that I had. It was just that module. So everything seems to be working fine now. There it is. This is it for this video, and thank you for watching.